Hi Sagittarius, today I'm going to do a complete love reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video guys, then it will reach more people. And thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me. Readings are chargeable. So let's start the reading. Sagittarius, 5 Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. This is bi-weekly reading, June. Let's see first what is happening. 10 of Cups, High Priestess, 7 of Cups, under the deck, Empress. I'm seeing some confusion in your relationship, family situations involved here. And for some, you both are in no contact, some silence is there, and one person is not opening up here, but taking tarot readings regarding the future of this relationships. A lot of confusion because of silence, and for some because of family situation here. So let's clarify. Ace of Pentacles, Justice, 2 of Swords, under the deck, 3 of Swords. I think crossroads energy here. One person is not sure about the future of this relationship or not able to give any assurance like commitment or stability. So that's why some of you both are stuck, and if you are in separation, definitely missing energy. If you are in no contact situation, definitely this silence causes so much pain here, because one person is still wishing for this connection, hoping for this connection, still hoping I can balance the situation. Maybe situation can be balanced. So one person is still wishing and praying for this connection, but one person is at some crossroads because of the family, mainly family situation here. That causes stuck energy, sadness, and lots of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energies here, especially Libra, and some of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign. So let's see your person current feelings and their true intentions towards you. And your person present energy is 10 of Swords, under the deck, Knight of Pentacles. Your person is suffering, definitely. 10 of Swords. They're really trying their best. Why? Because Queen of Swords, 6 of Swords, King of Wands, and 10 of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, and Knight of Swords, their intentions. They know you are very, very strong and you want stability. But your person always in and out of this relationship. And why they are unstable? Because of their family situation, also one of the reason. Knight of Swords, Queen of Wands, and 10 of Pentacles. But they feeling that you are the one, because King of Wands and Queen of Wands couple here. But I'm saying your person is struggling between you and their family. If family could be the issue, definitely they're talking about you with their family. They really want to fix things, and they really want to be with you. If family is not the problem here, then definitely your person have issues regarding stability and commitment. They don't want to take any responsibility. They have fears of responsibility. So that's why your person is juggling, but eventually they will offer stability because they are realizing your value, because they are back and forth energetically. One time they will like walk away, but another day they will come back to you. Nothing happened like that. So your person is always like in and out, but now they're getting the clarity that you are the one for them. And lots of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energies here, and some of you are dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energies here. Let's see your current feelings and your intentions. Let's see your present energy, which is Nine of Wands. Under the deck, Nine of Cups. Nine of Wands means you have a lot of fears, definitely. Because whatever situation you are in right now, you have a lot of fears and you're definitely thinking about coming obstacles. The Star, Five of Cups and Two of Cups, your current feelings. You definitely thinking about the past and crying over the spilled milk because you believe this person is your soulmate. Now you are healing. Now you are trying to think positive because you are juggling and going through a lot of inner conflicting energy, because Two of Pentacles, the Empress, and Five of Wands. In past you were a very strong person, but now you are going through so much internally. So you want stability. You are trying to be strong, and definitely a lot of drama happened already and you still thinking about the drama. You're juggling, you're trying to balancing. At the same time, regarding this relationship, you don't know what to do, you don't know which decision you have to take. Let's see the next move. Again, lots of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. A lot of water energies here, and some of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign. Ace of Cups, Chariot, Six of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. Again, it's definitely your person is going to take action slowly but surely. They really want to balance the situation. They will express their feelings because they're getting clarity. I already told you they will got clarity and they will offer their cup of love to you. So let's see what will be the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed on. And some of you are dealing with Cancer, water sign. King of Cups, Ace of Swords, Six of Wands clarified by Eight of Wands, Devil, Ten of Wands, and Page of Swords. You both will obsess over each other, or your person will obsess over you. And seeing communication, I'm seeing clarity, and you both will wonder about each other. Upgrade, I'm seeing definitely upgrade here, because you both want this relationship, especially your person. Sagittarius, you, even though you will talk with this person, then also you will carry some burden within you because of some confusion that you had in your past. Let's see what are the messages for you regarding the situation you are in right now. The Hermit, spend some quality time with yourself to get more clarity. And Page of Swords means don't wander and don't waste your energy. The Hierophant means upgrade your skills, be grounded. Let's say romantic love messages. Codependency, addictions are affecting your romantic life. For some, addictions involved in your relationship, especially codependency. Pay attention to the red flags, the signs are cautioning. If you have any red flags, don't ignore. Free yourself, it's time to take back control of your life. For those who want to take back control of your life, the time has come. Twin flames, yin yang, gen, balance, union, duality, coupling, complement each other. For some, you are in a twin flame journey. Self-indulgence, focus on self-worth, time to heal, shadow work, self-appreciation. For some, it's time to focus on yourself. Sunglasses, watching, looking, stalking, gaslighting, perception, and focusing out. For some, you are watching someone, finding some perception, judging someone. Don't do that. Just focus on yourself, because if you are watching someone, definitely you're focusing out. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me, and readings are chargeable. Thank you so much.